Hi, today we will see a demonstration of Zscore's Augmented Data Management Platform, a first-of-a-kind data management system built for the age of intelligence. No sooner we log in, we are taken to the main dashboard, where there are two very important metrics. Data Quality Index to monitor the current level of data quality within the organization. Business Impact to understand the dollar impact of bad data. More details on the metrics can be found in the reports page, which I'm navigating using this shortcut. Data handling can be performed in the data library. To import data, click on the Import Datasets button and select a data type of your choice. It can be a CSV file, or an Oracle database, or even a PDF file, or any of the 50 data sources that users can connect to. Once a dataset is selected, users can choose to select options such as semantic data profiling, a machine learning-based semantic data analyzer that understands data by context and by industry, or choose anomaly detection to understand data inconsistencies right at the time of ingestion. Once a dataset is selected, the Zscore platform identifies the data by its characteristics and the domain it belongs to. It also retrieves the semantics of the data entities along with its inconsistencies. It automatically identifies all of this and creates a ready-to-load workflow or a pipeline with pre-created data recipes as identified by the system. Workflows or data pipelines are no-code features that can help in combining data sources, creating data pipelines to match an organizational data flow. Components of a workflow include source nodes. These are nodes which can connect to any data source, be it structured or unstructured data. Recipe nodes, where data cleansing, transformation, and other operations can be performed. Finally, the capability to write back to any destination. This could even be the source system. After executing a given workflow, bad data is quarantined and the good data is sent to the configured destination. On the bad data, users have the option to perform deeper analysis such as root cause analysis to understand root cause of problems, a critical step when it comes to solving data issues. The Zscore platform also does auto remediation analysis and predicts solutions to potential data errors. Users have the option to teach the system where to look for a solution. This is also a machine learning system which understands user choices and applies the same when similar issues are noticed. What you have seen now is a sneak peek into Zscore's Augmented Data Management Platform. There are a lot more path-breaking features that can help users in ways unexplored until now to transform and make data more usable. To know more, please reach out to us for a full-fledged demo at info@zscore.co. We would love to talk to you.